Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Here are some amazing iftar recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make BBQ chicken sheet pan quesadillas. A sheet pan is the key to a perfect cheesy quesadillas. Let's see how to make this. Take a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons butter. Add 500 grams of chicken breast. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. Cook chicken on both the sides. Close the lid and cook till chicken becomes tender. Now cut the chicken pieces. Add some water. Close it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Close the lid again. Cook till water absorbs. Now shred the chicken by using fork. Now add 1 tablespoon BBQ sauce. Give this a very good mix. And now cook for 1 minute in a medium-high heat and then switch off the flame and keep aside. Now preheat oven to 200 degrees. Now apply butter on baking sheet pan. Now place tortillas on it. Layer it with pizza sauce. To this I am adding sliced onions and sliced capsicum and some bell peppers, gozen jalapenos. Now top up with BBQ shredded chicken and now layer it with shredded cheddar cheese. Sprinkle some oregano on it and some parsley. Now close all the tortilla sheets and place one more sheet to close it completely. Apply butter on top and place the wire rack on top of the tortillas. Place it in oven and bake it for 20 minutes. Now sheet pan tortillas are ready to serve. We love serving this with tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. This quesadillas recipe is great for iftar in under 30 minutes, filled with BBQ shredded chicken, cheese and some veggies. It's brilliant and even easier. So what are you waiting for? Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, have a good day.